Good evening, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. This is the open house video for college composition, and I am Mr. Piontek. I am your student's college composition teacher for the fall semester. So today I just want to go over some main points, the grading, late policy, student expectations, and also talk to you guys about the dual credit option that is available to your student. So for this course, this is, like it said, a college composition course. And so the grades are basically based off of the essays. They will write 4 essays over the course of the semester of varying length, and each carries a specific percentage towards their final grade. So as you can see, essay 1 makes up 15, essay 2 makes up 30, essay 3 25, and essay 4 20. Participation in classwork make up 10% of the overall semester grade for this course. When talking about class policies, it's important for students to plan ahead. I very much talk to them about advocating for extensions if that is what they need and asking them 48 hours in advance. But ultimately, since this is a college level class, there are some college level expectations. And one of those is that late papers without extension will not be accepted more than 1 week past the due date and will result in a 0. I will be in communication with parents and guardians when a student fails to submit a paper on time. But again, with the amount of time we give in class and the amount of one-on-one time I have with the students while they are drafting and revising, papers really should not be late. And again, students know to ask for an extension if they feel that it's going to be. When it comes to books for this class, students will not have to purchase any of them. They will have a textbook for Comp 101, and then they will have another textbook for Comp 102. Students are responsible for maintaining them and keeping them in usable shape. So this class, students can earn up to 6 hours of college credit. And this means that they will not have to take Comp 101 or 102 in college. And like I said, because this is a college class and because this could be some of the last English classes your student is going to take, we will be keeping it with college expectations, and we're going to be holding them to kind of a high level. So some important dates. Now, students should begin the registration process. I've been telling my students in all the classes this week that they need to be going home and starting the registration process if they are trying to get the dual credit. They need to be registered for this course by September 12th, and they need to have paid by October 8th. If they wish to withdraw, they have to do that by September 24th to get a 50% refund, and withdraw with a 0% refund by November 12th. Now, you are probably full of questions about the dual credit process and how we can go about getting information to help you and your student get the registration done. I have, along with this video, attached this PowerPoint, and it has links to these 3 areas that will give you important information about how to go about the registration and dual credit process. There is a parent information guide that is a PDF that kind of explains the cost and will hopefully answer some of the questions for you. There is a dual credit registration instructions, a link to the STLCC website that can kind of explain everything and help walk them through the process. And we also have this PowerPoint, which we have shown to our students. You have a link to that walks us through the registration process and tells them how to go about doing it. So you should have all the information you need right in your fingertips. So I also have included with this video and this PowerPoint a link to the course syllabus so you can go over it, and it has information about the course number and section number when they register, has information from STLCC on there as well, also here for you to access and view. So thank you very much for taking the time to look over this and look over the information that I've provided for you. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions or concerns about either the course, about the papers, about the registration process, or any other concerns that you may have. Thank you very much, and I hope to hear from you soon.